Hello, my name's Teresa Greenway. Welcome to my course on baking real San Francisco sourdough. A real San Francisco sourdough has a very nice tang to it. It's sour. And in the U.S., we really do like our deeply sour sourdoughs. The skill to obtain a really good sour sourdough is actually quite elusive, and in fact, many bakeries use artificial flavorings, vinegar, and something called sour salt, which is citric acid. Those aren't real. In this course, I will show you how to make an authentic sourdough, one that has a really nice tang to it, using just the flour, water, salt, sourdough culture, time, and temperature. You'll be needing a sourdough starter, so if you don't have one, look in the next lecture. There'll be directions on how to make your own. You'll also need a way to keep your dough consistently warm. The easiest way to do that is with a bread proofer. I have a Broad & Taylor bread proofer. If you don't have a proofer, I have some other ideas on how to keep your dough warm, but it really is easiest to have a bread proofer. I won't be covering any basics in this course, so if you're confused about some of the terminology or some of the methods that we're using, please take one of my earlier courses. So let's get started right away. Look over the formula and download it, and then print it out. Make sure your sourdough starter's vigorous and that you have some way of keeping your dough warm. Gather your ingredients and let's get started. Let's make some real San Francisco sourdough.